Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are all well. Who I respect, Mr. Profesor Dr. Haji Sutarto Hadi MSISC, Miss Kamaliah MPD, and Miss Rahmita Norbaiti MPD as lecturer in Mathematics English courses. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tiara Paramita. I'm from Mathematics Education Study Program at Lambung Mangkurat University from Group 9 in Mathematics English courses. Well, on this occasion, I will return to discuss the topic discussed at last week's meeting, namely about Chapter 3, Algebraic Equation. Okay, the material of discourse 1 is vocabulary. Vocabulary 1. Oath. Describe. Natural number are not multiple of 2 and are not divisible by 2. Example, odd numbers -10 until 10, that is -9, -7, -5, -3, -1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Vocabulary 2. Even. Describe a natural number that is a multiple of 2 or divisible by 2. Example, even number -10 until 10, that is -10, -8, -6, -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Vocabulary 3. Absolute value. Describe, also known as absolute value, in the value of a real number without the sign. Example, absolute value 5, so that the absolute value of -5 is 5. Vocabulary 4. Round up. Describe, round the number up away from 0. Example, if the 10 is more than equal to 5, example, 72.52, rounded up to 72. Okay, vocabulary 5. Rundown. Describe, rundown a number to 0. Example, if the 10 less than 5, example, 71.12 rounded to 71. Okay, vocabulary 6. Sector. Describe the line that intersects the line segment at its midpoint. Example, given triangle ABC. If you want to make a bisector at angle A, then 1. Draw a circular arc from point A so that it intersects lines AB and AC. 2. From the point of intersection of the lines AB and AC, draw an arc of a circle with the same radius. 3. The two arcs, the circle made at one point connect point A to the intersection of the two arcs, arc cosinus. In the fixture circular ABC. Okay, vocabulary 7. Centroid. Describe the point where the three medians intersect. Example, G is the centroid of triangle ABC and RP equals to 10. Find the length of LB. Okay, you can the picture a circular ABC. Okay, vocabulary 8. Median. Describe middle data that follow. Example: 1.3.3.6.7.8.9. Median is equals to 6. 2.2.3.5.6.8.8.9. Median equals 5 plus 6 divided by 2 equals to 5.5. Okay, the next vocabulary is vocabulary 9. Finite. Describe a set with a finite number of elements. Example: x finite. X is the first odd number. Equals to 1.3.5. And last vocabulary 10, is median. Describe a set that has infinite number of elements. Example: x finite x is an ever number more than 2 equals 4.6.8. Okay, that was the explanation about vocabulary. Next, we will discuss the problem in the video. Okay, in the video learning. Graphing solution to system of linear equation in two variables. Okay, question is create a graph of the linear question 5x plus 2y equals to 20. Okay, the solution is to make it easier and simple to do, we can solve for the y. Okay, 5x plus 2y equals to 20. So, um, subtract both sides by 5x. 2y equals, I'm sorry, 5x minus 5x plus 2y equals to 20 minus 5x. So, equals to 2y equals 20 minus 5x. Y equals to 20 divided by 2 minus 5x divided by 2. Divided both sides by 2. Okay. We divided the right and left sides by 2. So right and left sides by 2. Y is 10 minus 5x divided by 2. We using the equation y equals to 10 minus 5x divided by 2 to search the x values and see what corresponding y values are. Pay attention to the existing table. To find the point, we enter the values. X is 0, 2, and 4. For x 0, y equals to 10. So that the point becomes a 0.10. For x divided by, for x equals 2, y equals 5. So that the point becomes b 2.5. For x equals 4, y equals 0. So that the point becomes c 4.0. So we draw the points, then connect them to get the graph. Okay, that was the explanation about the video. Let's just go to some sample question. Okay, example 1. The large of two number is equal to 14 more than 3 times the smaller number. Find the smaller number if their difference is 38. The solution is, let the smaller number equals n. Large number is 14 more than 3 3x smaller number. So large number 3x smaller number plus 14. Okay, substitution smaller number equals n to 3x smaller number plus 14. This becoming equals 3n plus 14. So larger number is 3n plus 14. Their difference is 38. So large number minus smaller number equals 38. Larger number is 3n plus 14. Smaller number is n. So we have 3n plus 14 minus n equals 38. 3n minus n is 2n. 2n plus 14 equals to 38. 38 minus 14 is 24. So we subtract the right and left sides is 14. So 2n equals 24, n equals 12. Substitution smaller number equals n to 3x smaller number plus 14. This becoming equals 3n plus 14. So larger number is 3n plus 14. Their difference is 38. So larger number minus smaller number equals 38. 3n plus 14 minus n equals 38. 2n equals 24. N equals 12. I'm sorry. Therefore, the smaller number is 12 and larger number is 3n plus 14 equals 3 times 12 plus 14 equals 3 times 12 is 36 plus 14 equals 50. To check we not only verify that time difference is 38. So 50 minus 12 is 38. So correct. Okay, example. The next example is example 4. Sandy is 4 times as old as Robbie is now. In 10 years, Sandy will be 6 years older than Robbie. How old are they now? The solution is, let's Robbie's age is X. Sandy age is 4x, 4 times Robbie's age. In 10 years, mean that we will owe 10 to each of their age. In in 10 years, Robbie age equals x plus 10. Sandy's age equals 4x plus 10. Sandy's age is Robbie age plus 6. So 4x plus 10 equals x plus 10 plus 6. So 4x minus x equals 10 plus 6 minus 10. 3x equals 6. So x 6 divided by 3 is 2. Therefore, Robbie current x is 2 and Sandy's current x is 8. The next example is example 5. Jessica is 27 years old and Melissa is 21 years old. How many years ago was Jessica twice old as Melissa? The solution is, use a variable the represent the unknown in the problem that is number of the years in the past with letter x. Therefore, x years ago, Jessica was 27 minus x years old and Melissa was 21 minus x years old. The rel- the rel- I'm sorry. The relationship x years ago was Jessica age equals 2 times Melissa age. So substituting the past age, the equation for the problem would be Jessica age equals 2 times Melissa's age. Jessica age is 27 minus x and 2 times Melissa age is 21 minus x. So 27 minus x equals 42 minus 2x. 2x minus x equals 42 minus 27. X equals 15 years ago. We have to compute the girl's age 15 years ago. Jessica was 27 minus 15 equals 12 years old. Melissa was 21 minus 15 is 6 years old. So Jessica was twice as old as Melissa, 15 years age. So the next example is example 6. Two cars are traveling on the same highway toward each other from towns that are 150 mi apart. One car is traveling at 60 mph, while the other is traveling 50 mph. If they started at the same time, how much time to nearest minute will have passed at the moment when they pass each other? The solution is the seed weight is given and was have to find by drawing a picture. Okay, right is slow car and leap is fast car. Total distance is distance traveled by faster car plus distance traveled by slower car is 150 mi. Since the cars started and passed each other at the same time, the time they have both traveled is the same. Let time traveled by both cars is t. Using the relationship, I'm sorry, using the relationship distance equals rate equals time, our model becomes 150 equals 60t plus 50t. 150 equals 110t. Okay, so 150 divided by 110 equals 110 divided by 110t. So t equals to 1.36, 36, 36. Okay, and t we run up equals 1.37. So 30, 1.37. 1.37 times 60 minutes equals 82.2 minutes, 1 hour and 22 minutes. So the answer is 82.2 minutes or 1 hour and 22 minutes. Okay, so that was my explanation of some of the material discussed last week. I hope what I say can be understood and understood. Sorry if there are many mistakes. Thank you for your attention. See you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.